A busy morning. Today is a normal day in my life, but I have one small goal. I want to finish my work early because my friend Mia is coming to my apartment for dinner. I do not have a lot of time, so I need to be organized. My alarm rings at 7 o'clock. I open my eyes and look at my phone. For 1 minute, I want to stay in bed. Then I remember my plan. I sit up, stretch my arms, and smile. A good morning is important. I make my bed and open the curtains. The sky is blue and the street is quiet. I go to the bathroom, wash my face, brush my teeth, and comb my hair. Then I put on a blue shirt, black trousers, and clean white shoes. In the kitchen, I make coffee and toast. I also write a short list: work, supermarket, dinner, clean table. The day starts now. The way to work. At 7:30, I leave my apartment. I check my bag before I close the door. My laptop is inside. My keys, wallet, and lunch are inside too. Good. I do not want to forget anything today. I walk to the bus stop. The air is cool, and I like it. I see people with coffee, children with school bags, and dogs in the park. My city is busy in the morning, but it feels friendly. The bus arrives after 5 minutes. I sit near the window. I look at my list on my phone. First, I must send 2 emails. Then, I have a meeting at 10. After work, I need to buy pasta, tomatoes, and bread. On the bus, I listen to quiet music. I feel ready. This is a simple day, but I like simple days. They make me feel calm and strong. Work and lunch. I arrive at the office at 8:15. I say good morning to my team and put my bag under my desk. Then I open my laptop. I want to work well and not lose time. The first email is easy. The second email is not. A customer has a question about an order. I read the message twice. Then I call my manager and ask for help. We find the answer together. At 10 o'clock, I have a meeting. I speak slowly and show my ideas. My team likes one of them. This makes me happy. I write notes and check my list again. At 1 o'clock, I eat lunch in the small kitchen. I have rice, chicken, and an apple. I send a message to Mia. Dinner at 7? She answers, yes, I am excited. Now I really want to finish on time. Shopping after work. At 5 o'clock, I close my laptop. I did all the important work. I feel tired, but I also feel proud. I say goodbye to my team and walk to the supermarket near the office. The supermarket is full of people. Some people move fast. Some people talk on the phone. I take a small basket and look at my list. I need pasta, tomatoes, bread, cheese, and something sweet. I choose red tomatoes because they look fresh. I also buy basil because it smells wonderful. Near the bread, I see a chocolate cake. It is small, but it looks perfect for 2 people. I put it in my basket. At the door, I check the time. It is 5:40. I still have time to go home, cook, and clean the table. I walk quickly, but I am not worried. My normal day is going well. Dinner and a quiet night. I arrive home at 6:10. I put the food on the kitchen table and wash my hands. Then I change into a warm sweater and jeans. I feel more relaxed now. Home is my favorite place after a long day. I cook pasta and make a simple tomato sauce. The kitchen smells good. While the water boils, I clean the table and put 2 plates, 2 glasses, and some bread on it. Everything is ready just before 7. Mia rings the bell at 7 o'clock. She brings flowers and gives me a big smile. We sit down, eat, and talk about our day. She likes the pasta, and we laugh about small things. After dinner, we eat the chocolate cake. Later, Mia goes home, and I wash the dishes. I am tired, but happy. My day was normal, but it was also good. I kept my plan, saw my friend, and enjoyed the evening.